My name is Mark and I'm the in-flight manager, and it's certainly my pleasure to welcome you all on board. A special welcome to those of you returning from our executive club and those of you joining from our One World Alliance partners. May I remind you to keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated, and it must remain securely fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. When opening overhead lockers, please take care as items may have moved and could fall out, causing injury. As a reminder, smoking, the use of electronic cigarettes and vaping is not permitted at any time whilst on board. This includes the toilets, which are fitted with smoke detectors. If you're seated in First or Club World, please take care of your personal electronic devices when adjusting your seat. If your device does get lost, please do not move the seat and let one of us know so we can assist. To connect and join the BA Wi-Fi network, visit shop.ba.com to discover the packages available. All phones should be placed to silent to avoid disturbing other customers, and please note, video and phone calls are not permitted at any time during the flight.